Best order ever was from a royal. And I don't want to give away the family name or the country because you'll know the royal family that I'm talking about. And it's in the Middle East, in the Gulf countries. She is the nicest woman ever. I was completely starstruck. She was so sweet. She's a real princess. And she told me, I want you to pick out whatever you think is the most beautiful dresses that you have for my 5 girls. And it was the very first time anyone told me to pick whatever I wanted for this order. It was amazing feeling, to be honest with you. I could just pick anything I wanted. So I picked her the most beautiful dresses. Her bill was over $100,000. It was the best order, the most pleasant. And till this day, I am still making dresses for this royal family for all of their special occasions. And it is an absolute pleasure to deal with them.